Hi guys, this is Misty. Today we're going to be looking at the Unit 6 Day 9 worksheet, and we're going to start on the front with number 2. So this one says, given the graph of a system of linear equations below, is there a solution to the system that we cannot see on this portion of the coordinate plane? That is, will the lines intersect somewhere on the plane not represented in this picture? And we have to explain. So the first thing we have to think about is, well, what do we need for two lines to intersect? So for two lines to intersect, we need different slopes and we need different y-intercepts. For intersection. So we should check on our graph if we have different slopes and different y-intercepts. So we know line 1 and line 2 have different y-intercepts because line 1 hits the axis around negative 2.1 and line 2 hits the y-axis around 5.5. So they have different y-intercepts for sure. So different y-intercepts is true. But now we have to check if they have different slopes. So to do that, we can find 2 points on each of the lines to find their slopes. So on line 1, here's 1 point in yellow I'm putting, and here's another point. So we want to find the slope of line 1. So to do that, we just have to go up 1 and to the right 7. So our slope is 1 over 7, which we can write on the side. And then we want to find the slope of the second line. So we can find 2 points on that second line. And then we can count to find the slope. So for that we have to go up 2 and over 11, which gives us the slope 2 over 11. So from that we can see we have different slopes because line 1's slope is 1/7 and line 2's slope is 2/11. Therefore, we have different slopes and different y-intercepts. Therefore, yes, the lines will intersect. And we have our explanation at the top. Now we can go on to the second page and go down to number 13. And we can look at that. So it says two numbers have a sum of 1,212 and a difference of 518. What are the two numbers? So we have two numbers, so we can just let x equal the first number, so number 1, and let y equal the second number, number 2. And then we need to make a system of equations using the sentences. So we know two numbers have a sum of 1,212. So sum means add. So we know we can write x plus y equals 1212. And then they have a difference of 518. So we can write x minus y equals 518. And then we want to solve for x. So the easiest thing we can do is just to use the elimination method, because we already have a positive y and a negative y, so those will just cancel. Then when we add our x's, we have 1x plus 1x is 2x, and when we add 1,212 and 518, we get 1,730, which we then will divide both sides by 2. We get x equals, using our calculator, 865. So now we found our first number. Now we need to find our second number. So we can plug that into either of our two equations. I'm just going to plug it into the first equation. So we get 865 in for x plus y equals 1212 divide both sides by 865, or subtract both sides by 865. And then with our calculator, we find that y equals 347. So our solution is 865, 347. Because the first number is 865 and the second number is 347. Alright, that's it for that video.